In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to make QR codes in Word and Excel. But first, we're introducing the new Microsoft Teams Bible. It's free to download for all our newsletter readers. And you get all the essentials needed to get up and running in Microsoft Teams, including clear steps and images to guide you through the process. To start mastering Microsoft Teams, just hit the link and download your free copy. If you're making a calling card or other printable items in Microsoft Word, you may want to include a QR code. Then readers can scan the code for easy access to a web address. To make a QR code in Word, start by heading to the Home tab. Here, head across to Add-ins. Then, in the right-hand pane, search for Easy QR. We already have this add-in installed, but when installing for the first time, simply click the Add button next to it. Once added, enter your web address into the input box. And when you're done, hit the Insert Image button. To make QR codes in Excel, you can follow a similar process by using a different add-in. Again, head to the Home tab, then click Add-ins. Next, search for QR for Office. Then click the Add button next to it. Once added, you can enter a URL into the input box. Or, if you have links in the worksheet, select a link, then click the copy icon to add the link quickly. Now, you can change the color or size as required. Then hit the Insert button. You can now resize and reposition the QR code wherever you want. To generate multiple QR codes, you'll need to use a different approach, using an image formula, and a third-party website called quickchart.io. Once you've made a list of URLs to turn into QR codes, click the first cell in a new column. Then, in the formula bar, type the on-screen formula, where A1 is the first cell in the column of URLs. When you hit Enter, you should see a QR code in the adjacent cell. And to apply the formula to additional rows, you can simply click and drag the small square, located in the bottom right of the QR code cell. If the cell contains the blocked error, you should be given the option to turn on images. After a moment, the QR code should appear, and you can apply the formula to additional cells. You can also generate QR codes using a free website called qr.io, where you can enter a URL and download the resulting PNG or SVG file. And if you sign up, you can also track the number of scans. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for important Microsoft news and updates, and a chance to win prizes, be sure to hit the link in the description and join our newsletter today.